Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Hayati, and I'm the application engineer at RapidScan 3D. And today we're going to talk about virtual scan tool. So I just opened this bone structure that was basically scanned by CT scan, and I'm going to change the color so we can see easily. If you notice, you got a lot of stuff inside. The bone structure was been probably damaged or some sort of surgery needed to be done. And so what we're going to do first is we're going to basically align the part, and then we're going to go to our menu, tools, and we're going to talk about mesh tools and the virtual scan. And so what we're going to do, what virtual scan does is virtual scan command is creates a mesh by combining feature shapes captured in a normal direction of each virtual plane. This command can be used clean messy poly faces inside of the mesh. So what I did is basically selecting that and started cleaning everything inside. There are many ways to clean the mesh, but I found out that this tool is extremely useful. And if you notice, 90% of the part has been clean, and it doesn't leave me much of a stuff to clean it after, except I'm just going to run the healing wizard and then check some of the boxes, small clusters and dangling stuff, and then you can preview it. And after that, I can delete whatever left inside. It's time consuming to clean scan data, especially CT scan has a lot of internal structure when you scan something. So if you just want to keep the outside of the mesh, this is a great tool, and it will take less time for you to create solid model. And if you notice, I still have some stuff all around. What I'm going to do next is just clean it up here and there. Other stuff. So let's go ahead and change our brush size. Alt 1 and then move the mouse roller front, forward, and back. You can change your brush size. I'm just going to select internally. My goal is basically isolating these edges. So what I can do is I can just get rid of the connection part. Once I'm done, I can go outside and then deselect the meshes that accidentally selected. And there you go. Got a few more things to do. Healing wizard. It's a great tool, and just basically clean everything. Once we're done, I'm going to copy the model, and now you can see a few more things left in there. I'll change the color property so we can see it better. Let me just pull this way. Let's go ahead and make that green. Much better. Let's just highlight these edges. Delete them. Looks pretty clean to me. And there's something right there. I just needed to clean it up. I didn't like it how it looks. And then I can select the boundaries and heal it. Looks so much better. Our goal is basically creating a nice clean mesh. There's nothing inside because it will affect the auto surfacing. And if you try to create something solid, step file from scan data, it's quite difficult. And this process is really helpful. Once we're done optimizing our mesh, takes a couple seconds. Let's go back and take a look at the final. Now I'm just going to fill this hole real quick. And enhance the shape maximum. Now we're going to do auto surfacing. I copy my mesh again just to make sure that I don't lose. And I put target count to 5,000 just to make sure that my surface will be as close as possible to original mesh. Once we're done, I'm going to increase the geometric accuracy to a max. And that's it. I have a nice, clean, solid body. Now I can take this, do any type of analysis on it, and I can definitely create tool path if I needed to. And if you look at the tolerance, it was really close. And that's about it. Thank you very much for watching.